4-season pizza oven, all year round, 800 degrees, 90-second pizza. Where can you go wrong? My name is Ernesto. I'm the happy owner of a Ciao Bella Quattro oven. I picked the Quattro for the simple reason that I like to do a lot of different things in the oven, and my plan was always to make more than just pizzas. So we make focaccias, lamb, potatoes, we bake bread, and I wanted to make sure that I had enough room to be able to do many things. I also like making pizzas and then freezing them because they make a wonderful appetizer for when people come over. And then of course we make focaccias almost weekly in it. So every Sunday morning, that's our routine. So we've created our own family tradition using this almost 200-year-old cast iron pan that used to belong to my wife's great-grandmother back in Italy. As you can see, this is a rather large pan, so we needed an oven big enough to be able to use this in, which is another reason we ended up selecting the Quattro. You know what's better than a saucy pizza? A spicy one. I would recommend the Ciao Bella Pizza Oven for many reasons, but for me, probably the biggest reason is it's an excuse to have family and friends over for something a little bit different than your typical backyard barbecue. Did you leave room for dessert? Because that's next. Pistachio pizza. You gotta use the good stuff. Well, that's a wrap, folks.
Perfect, thank you so much. Looks amazing. Wow.
Ciao, Bella. See you soon.